Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here. Dave delivers another brand ambassador local business highlight. I'm here with Chris Farrands, who's partners with Jeff Cohick in a Cohick Associates, a tax, payroll, and bookkeeping company that's been in the community for a long, long time and takes great care of me and a lot of my acquaintances and associates. How are you doing, Chris?
Hey, great, Dave. Thanks so much for having me. And how are you doing?
Doing really well. Thanks for giving us a few minutes of your time. Looking forward to learn a little bit more about your business. Tell me, why did you originally start your business and get into business?
So Jeff and I both have a strong passion for the area and for small business and helping people. And so we're able to help a lot of folks, both here in central Pennsylvania and really a lot of other places, by offering bookkeeping and payroll services and by offering tax services to individuals and to small business.
Awesome, and you've certainly done that for me and a lot of my businesses. So what is kind of the main product that you sell most often, or what's the main service you provide, I would say, the majority of the time to customers?
Sure. So in the spring, of course, we're extremely busy with tax, both preparation of tax returns and tax planning and projections. We meet with clients throughout the year, but of course in the spring that takes up a lot of our time. We also do bookkeeping and payroll for clients throughout the year. And so those are our three core offerings.
Awesome. Makes total sense. And who would you say one of your core customers are? Is it geographic? Is it business? Is it personal? Who are your main customers?
Yeah, so I would say that we have a lot of individuals that we do income tax returns for, and we also have a lot of small businesses that are small enough that they aren't able to hire a full-time bookkeeping staff on their own, or maybe too small to have a payroll staff on their own. So they need to outsource that need, and so we're an outlet to provide that service for them.
Makes total sense. And we all have these. What would you say is a number one question or concern that you might get asked most often by a customer or somebody maybe listening to this?
Sure. So most of our clients are concerned with tax compliance. Of course, paying the right amount of tax, not too much and not too little, and creating opportunities for tax planning and tax savings. Most of our small business owners are most concerned about that.
Yeah, I know I am, and that's what's on my mind most of the time this time of year, going into the springtime. Sure. Chris, how can somebody best get in touch with you? Is there a website or a phone number they should call?
Yep, absolutely. So www.cohickassociates.com is our website, and our phone number is 717-249-5321.
All right, that's cohickassociates.com, Cohick, C-O-H-I-C-K, associates.com, and 717-249-5321. Chris, I got another 45 seconds here. Just anything that you guys offer, essentially, obviously, not when you're burning the midnight oil there, but most of the year, anything you guys offer that would be a good incentive for a listener to give a call for?
Absolutely. So, our office is open year-round, fully staffed, and so if someone has a particular tax concern or payroll concern, anytime during the course of the year, maybe wants a second opinion, we're always more than willing to meet with someone, especially in the summer and in the fall, to give them a second opinion and a free consultation to take a look and see what they have going on.
So there you have it, everybody. You can call Chris Farrands or Jeff Cohick at Cohick Associates, and they can give you a second opinion or just a free 30-minute tax consultation. And the best way to get a hold of them is to give them a call at 717-249-5321. That's 249-5321. It's Cohick Associates, a tax, payroll, and bookkeeping company. It's been a staple of the Carlisle community for many, many years and even decades. Chris, thanks so much for your time today.
Absolutely. Thanks, Dave.
Yep, and thanks everybody for listening. Can't wait to see you on the next Brand Ambassador Local Business Highlight. Take care.